hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. As y'all can see, I'm not doing no more voiceovers. Well, if I got to, I will, but I really wanted to get back into speaking and giving you live reviews. I want to do it in real time, give y'all the review and actually speak. My son is asleep, so hopefully this mic is not picking up any background noise. I bought this mic off of Amazon. Everything about this mic will be in my description box below. Y'all, I love this mic, okay? I'm going to really test it out like outside and other things. You know, I'm going to put this mic to the test in other spaces and places. So yes, welcome back to my voice in real time. So today I am reviewing a unit from Beautyforeverhair. Here is the packaging. Okay, let's see what she got. And I hope the ruffling of the bag isn't too much all up in the mic. Oh, I am not used to this. It's been a minute. So they gave me a elastic band. They gave me some lashes. And I think this is like a makeup brush. Here is the wig cap. So this wig is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. Obviously, she is a body wave. She is in a natural color. So this is what she is looking like straight out the pack. So this is what the lace is looking like. You see those knots. They're actually pretty small. Let's see. Okay, so they didn't bleach the knots or anything. I like how the knots are small because when they too big, it's gonna give wig, okay? So the inside, you're gonna have your 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, and then also an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band. So if you wanted to do a glueless install, you could. I will be fast forwarding this part so you guys will be able to see me actually installing, putting this wig together, and I will give y'all my final thoughts about this hair from Beautyforeverhair. So this is how I am feeling about this body wave unit from Beauty Forever. First of all, hold on, because it's a mess in this bathroom. Hold on. The knots are pretty noticeable, so I would advise you, if you would like, just go ahead and bleach the knots. This hair is extremely soft. I love how soft this hair is. Also, I thought I can get away with not coloring the lace. So the cons I did have with this wig, she did shed and she did tangle up, but she didn't tangle up like, too crazy, but she did shed. And also the other con is, of course, the knots in this unit. Could have been smaller, but you can always finesse that, like I said. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank Beauty Forever for sending me this unit to review. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Acorn rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that A-gun, baby, butter.